Hello everyone. This is day 2 of CSAT 50-day challenge, and the concept for today is face value and place value. So let us have a look at the concept of face value and place value. So to understand this concept, let us take a number 5876. So if you know the basics of number system, then you might be knowing that when we write a number, then the rightmost digit is at the unit place. Then the second rightmost digit is at the tens place. Then this is at 100 place. Then this 5 will be at 1000 place. So the number which is at the unit place, when we have to determine the place value of that number, we will multiply this by 1. The reason being it is at the unit place. When we have to find the place value of a number at the 10th digit, that is 7, we will multiply it by 10. Similarly, for 8 we will multiply by 100, and for 5 we will multiply by 1000. So this is how we are going to calculate the place value of a digit in a number. But what about the face value? The face value of the digit in any number is going to be the same. It doesn't change. But as far as the place value is concerned, it depends on the position of that digit. To make it more simple for you, let us take this number only. Can we write this number as 5000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 6? When you add all these numbers, you are going to get 5876. But how we can write this number in this form? The reason being, we have just simplified. We have just broken up this number by adding up the place value of each and every digit in that number. So 5 is at the 1000 place, we multiply 5 by 1000. 8 is at the 100 place, we multiply 8 by 100. 7 is at 10th place, we multiplied 7 by 10. Then 6 is at the unit place, we multiplied 6 by 1. And this is how we have got this number. So this is the basic concept of face value and place value. Now, if a number is given to you, suppose if a number A, B, C, D is given to you. Now if I ask you what will be the place value of A in this number, so what will be your answer? So your answer should be, since A is at the 1000th place, so the place value of A will be A into 1000. Similarly, the place value of B should be B into 100, right? So on this thing you will find questions in the examination, right? You will be given this kind of number and you will be told to add this number to some different number, and you are getting some altogether a different number, and then you will have to find what can be the possible value of A, B, C, D. So these type of questions you can only solve if you understand the concept of face value and place value. But as far as day 2 is concerned, right, on the concept of face value and place value, we will understand the concept of reversal of digit. Every year or every alternate year, you will find questions on this topic in the UPSC CSAT paper. So it is very important that you understand this concept. So suppose we have a 2-digit number XY, right? Now we have reversed this digit. So after the reversal, this number will become YX. The position of X will be taken up by Y and the position of Y will be taken up by X, right? Now what will be the difference between XY minus YX? If a question is given in which the result of the difference between a number and its reversal is given, and you have been asked to find out the number, how you are going to calculate that? right? So this is how you have to approach such questions. So xy we can write as 10x plus y. The reason being y is at the unit place, x is at the tens place. Similarly, yx we can write this as 10y plus x. When you will simplify this, so what we will get? 10x plus y minus 10y minus x. So we will get 9x minus 9y, or you can say 9x minus y. So the difference between number and its reversal of digits and the number that we get after reversal of digit, that difference will be 9x minus y. Now why you need to remember this thing? Since most of the questions that I have seen in UPSC PYQ has been asked only from this concept. Let us take one example, one question to understand how this works, like how you can apply this concept to solve questions. So a certain 2-digit number is given to you. So let us take this number as xy. The difference between the number and the number obtained by reversing it is always 45. Now in the question it has been told that the number xy, when it is reversed, when the position of digits are changed, then the difference of the original number and the number we got is always 45. It means what? It means 10x plus y, when you will simplify xy, you will get 10x plus y. When you will simplify yx, you will get 10y plus x, right? And this is always 45. So what is the final number you are getting? 9x minus y equal to 45. We have simplified this just a minute ago. Then the x minus y will equal to 5. This is what you will get. So this is the equation you are getting. Now you have to find the maximum 2-digit numbers that is possible given this arrangement. So what should be your approach? So here you have to find out the possibilities. So when x minus y equal to 5, what can be the possible value of x and y? So let us take the value of x equal to 9. So y you will get what? 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Then take the value of xi equal to 8. So y you will get will be 8 minus 5 equal to 3. This is a very basic mathematics. X equal to 7. Y you will get 7 minus 5. Then take x equal to 6. Y you will get 6 minus 5, 1. Now take x equal to 5. Y you will get 5 minus 5, 0. But you have to understand that this number, the 5, 0, 50, when it is reversed, it becomes 0, 5. And 0, 5 is not a 2-digit number. Right? This is not a 2-digit number. So we will not take into account this possibility. Right? Now take x equal to 4. What is the value of y you will get? 4 minus 5 equal to minus 1. Now this is not possible since these numbers are positive numbers. So this is the possibility we are not going to take. So only 4 possibility, first, second, third and fourth possible numbers that we can have. When we will reverse the digit of that number, then the difference between number and the number that we get after the reversal of digit will be 45. So 4 will be your answer. So on this theme, you will be given 3 questions. First question will be posted in the Telegram group. For rest of the 2 questions, you have to get yourself registered for the worksheet, right? And let me tell you, these questions are very well curated based on UPSC PYQ, right? So the questions that are asked in UPSC CSAT paper or CDS paper or CAPA paper, all these questions have been studied in detail, and then these questions have been designed for you to prepare you to tackle any level of difficulty in CSAT paper. So I hope, I wish you all the best. You have accepted this challenge, This will definitely benefit you and better prepare you to tackle the difficulty level of CSAT paper. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.